So this is Bellamy's second adjustment. And she is just, let's see, 4 days old.
She'll be a week tomorrow.
A week tomorrow, okay. So we are moving right along. She's healthy. She's gaining weight just like she needs to. We're just moving these little cranial bones. Gently moving them into the direction we need to. It's so nice whenever she's already sleeping. Wow. Yeah, she's a good sleeper.
She's really good, baby. Not the core wasn't, but this one is different.
Yeah.
There's one or two of the same.
Each of her little cranial bones. And just moving them gently. Her face is so full of expression. I love it. You can see the little smile. You can kind of see your eyebrows start relaxing as soon as we get those little cranial bones all in the right spot. That really helps with their ability to sleep well, relax well, just all the movement of the lymphatic system. That's so important. Oh, what are you telling us? We move her little ears. That helps with the eustachian tube, making sure that eustachian tube's able to drain like it needs to. We don't want anything getting built up in there. How has she been doing with the gassiness? I know she was pretty gassy in the first.
A lot better, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we had to give her some formula at the hospital just to kind of get her going and get things going. And,
Yes.
And she was miserable the first couple
I'm
months
sure.
after that.
Yeah.
So we've done a lot to not have to do that.
Good. I'm glad. Yeah, we'll make sure that we move those valves again. Okay, so now we're just moving the little cervical bones. Ooh, that was tender, honey. Oh my goodness, you're touching that spot that I don't like. Yeah. Is that better now that it got in the right place? Oh, I know. That's how I feel too. She is so expressive.
Yes.
Full expressions.
That's how
Tell us all about
it.
it.
Rubbing her spine that way.
Yes, it does. Okay, let's see about these little valves. Let's see about these. Just moving them all into the right place.
Excuse me.
I had to sit on this couch and really know.
There. There we go.
Those boards on the hair make a lot of difference.
Good.
It'd be better if they had a wider piece, but
Yeah, like if you had the pillows, this piece.
There we go. So we go up on the right side, down on the left.
People are really
yeah, I need the pillows.
Okay, precious. Let's do your back.
Oh, so you're not that good.
There we go.
She's in this.
Exhale. Oh, that was out of place too. There we go. That was that T6 again. So I'm gonna keep them quite out of place. Wow, you were so strong. Look at her lifting her head up.
She was doing that the day after she was born,
Say
so.
after she was born. Wow. Yeah, you were so amazing. Here we go. So much better. How do you feel?
All the
Sweetie?
Amish people at home, whenever they have a baby, the first thing they go is.
She's all done. All finished.
Give her
All
the.
finished, sweetie.